UC Davis presents 1 Minute Wine. Merlot. Merlot is a black-skinned Garrett variety whose parents are Cabernet Franc and Magnelon Noir de Charente. The variety originated near Le Born, which is a major city on the right bank of the Bordeaux wine region of western France. It is a predominant variety in the world-class Pomerol and Saint-Emilion appellations. It is also one of the world's most widely planted grapes and is often outplanted to Cabernet Sauvignon. Merlot has fruity aromatics of cherry and plum and earthy notes of graphite and tobacco. It is usually made in a dry style with no residual sugar, is medium to full-bodied, and has good acidity, and has soft, moderate tannins. It pairs well with red meats, specifically grilled short ribs and herb-crusted lamb chops. When drinking an older Merlot, try it with the prime rib and sautéed mushrooms. Fun fact, Patrice is the most expensive Bordeaux, which is from the Pomerol appellation on the right bank and is made with 100% Merlot. Current futures prices for the 2015 vintage is more than $3,000 US. Thank you.